Hi guys, it's Toy Shop Girl. Today we are going to be opening the Shopkins vending machine. I am very excited to open it and look at the Shopkins that are inside. I am also very excited because hiding behind the vending machine, I have two season 3 shopping baskets, and each one of these shopping baskets has 2 surprise Shopkins inside. So let's get started opening up all these fun toys. I'm so excited. First, let's open the Shopkins vending machine. Get this plastic off of the outside. And we'll take it out of this cardboard. And here it is. Now this tin is very cool because this is a storage container, so you can store all the Shopkins that you collect inside. You take off the cover. I'm so excited. Inside are 2 exclusive Shopkins. Here are the 2 Shopkins that came inside the vending machine. They are so adorable. This first one is Cheesy Bee, and it is a little cheeseburger. You can see she's got some ketchup and some lettuce and some cheese. She is adorable. The other Shopkin that came in the vending machine is Alpha Soup. How cute is this one? Inside the vending machine, there also is a collector's guide, which has pictures of all the Shopkins that are in this series, and they're all broken out into sections like fruit and vegetables, pantry, the bakery, sweet treats, dairy, party food, health and beauty, frozen, and special limited edition Shopkins. So here on our collector's guide is Cheesy Bee, in the picture right here, and here's the Cheesy Bee that we got. You can tell she's a slightly different color. The one that comes in the vending machine is a slightly different color, but they're exactly the same. And here's our Alpha Soup Shopkins compared to the picture on the shopping list. Again, they are a slightly different color, but other than that, they are the same. And Alpha Soup is part of the pantry section of the shopping list. The outside of the tin is super cute as well. It has a window, so you could actually see inside the storage tin at the different Shopkins that are in your collection. It has little buttons on the outside like a vending machine would, and a little slot where you would put your money in. On the sides, they are decorated with pictures of some of the different adorable Shopkins that are in the series. And there's more on the back and the sides and the top. The bottom is plain green. This is adorable. Now let's open up our 2 surprise shopping baskets and see what Shopkins are inside. These shopping baskets are season 3 series, so they are purple with blue handles. And you can see they are a little bit glittery. They are so cute. So let's open up the shopping basket and see what's inside. Now every basket comes with a season 3 checklist. And this checklist, just like the one we saw in the vending machine, is divided into the different sections of the grocery store, like the bakery, hats, etc. So our first surprise Shopkins, it's Wendy Wedding Cake. Wendy Wedding Cake comes from the bakery section of our shopping list. She is a white wedding cake with 3 different layers, and she's decorated with pink and red icing. She is so cute. She is considered a rare Shopkins. The second surprise Shopkins that came in this bag it's Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea is a pea pod with 3 peas inside and comes from the fruit and veggie section of the shopping list. So now let's open up our second surprise shopping basket. These baskets are so cute. And again, inside the shopping basket is another Season 3 Shopkins checklist. And here is our first surprise Shopkins. This Shopkin is Scony. She is so cute. She comes from the international food section of the shopping list, and she looks like a scone with a filling inside. She's so adorable. And finally, the last surprise Shopkins that we got. Oh my goodness! This is Frost Tea Fridge. He is an adorable little refrigerator that comes from the homeware section of the shopping list. He is so cute. It's a blue refrigerator. Has a little drink dispenser on the front. How cute! So right now I have all of our Shopkins displayed on the storage shelves that came with the storage container. When you start to collect more and more Shopkins, you can take this plastic piece out and actually just store the Shopkins all right inside the container. But for now, since we only have a few here, I think it looks adorable to display them like this, just like they would be in an actual vending machine. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll open up more fun presents together.